There's another song that we can do with F, and that is Twinkle, Twinkle Little Star. There's a lot of changing between the three chords, C, F, and G. So I suggest before you start Twinkle, Twinkle Little Star that you just go C, C, F, F, G, G, C, 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 F, F, G, G, C, something like that, or C, F, G, C, F, G, C, F, G, as fast as you can until you can do it quite quickly. And then you start with Twinkle, Twinkle Little Star. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Let's do it again. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I hope I haven't been doing G like this. Let me just show you in case. G looks like this, but you can also do it G7. Can you hear? It's almost the same. The only difference is this bottom note. So sometimes without thinking I play G7.